Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Modern Living Show. I've got to say, I'm super excited about today's chat.
Oh, me too. I always love our talks, especially when we're finding ways to make life a little easier.
Absolutely. So tell me, how's your week been? Any exciting adventures?
Well, funny you should ask. I actually had a bit of a laundry nightmare yesterday. Um,
Oh no, what happened?
um, my dryer decided to quit on me in the middle of a cycle. All my clothes were soaking wet.
Oh, you're kidding. That sounds like a total disaster.
I ended up hanging clothes all over my apartment. It looked like some avant garde art installation.
Wow, that's quite the visual.
Tell me about it. And with this humid weather, they took forever to dry.
Ugh, I can imagine.
It was a total nightmare.
Maybe it's perfect timing that we're talking about laundry today.
Oh, really? What's up your sleeve?
So I've been trying out this new portable dryer.
Wait, a portable dryer? Is that even a thing?
I thought the same, but yes, it's actually pretty cool.
You've got me curious.
It's compact, energy efficient, and ideal for small spaces.
Okay, but does it actually work?
It does. It uses warm air circulation and gentle heat to dry clothes quickly and evenly.
Uh huh.
And it's super quiet.
No way. My dryer sounds like it's preparing for takeoff.
Exactly. This one you can barely hear.
That's a major plus.
And get this, it uses about 40% less energy,
Wow, that's significant.
right? It's good for the environment and your wallet.
But what's the capacity like? Can it handle a decent load?
Good question. It's not huge, but it handles everyday loads just fine. Shirts, pants, towels.
So, probably not great for bedding or big items.
Yeah, large comforters might be a stretch.
Makes sense.
But for regular laundry, it's fantastic.
I can see how that would be useful.
And it's great for travel too.
Do people really take dryers on trips?
Well, if you're on an extended road trip or camping, it could be handy. And
I guess if you're camping in style,
exactly, glamping anyone?
maybe one day.
Anyway, I even tried drying my sneakers in it.
To get out. And how did that turn out?
Surprisingly well. They dried evenly and didn't lose their shape.
Impressive. I usually avoid putting shoes in the dryer.
Me too, but this machine handled it like a champ,
Well, that's a game changer.
right?
How much does this wonder machine cost?
It's around $300.
Oof, that's a bit steep.
I know, but think of it as an investment.
Maybe, but I don't know if I can justify that right now.
Fair enough. It's not for everyone.
Plus, I'm trying to minimize the number of gadgets I own.
Understandable. Clutter can be stressful.
Exactly.
But if it saves time and energy, it might be worth considering.
Perhaps. I'll have to think about it.
Sounds good.
Do you have any other cool features to share?
Ooh, it has different settings for various fabrics.
Like delicates and heavy duty cycles?
Yep, so you don't have to worry about ruining your favorite blouse.
That's reassuring.
And maintenance is a breeze. Just clean the lint filter and wipe it down occasionally.
No complicated upkeep?
Nope,
That's a relief. I hate fiddling with appliances.
same here.
The more we talk, the more I'm considering it.
That's awesome. Maybe we can do a follow-up episode on your experience.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
Hey, I'm just saying.
But seriously, it could be a fun experiment.
Yeah, definitely.
Speaking of our listeners, we should ask about their laundry struggles.
Great idea. Hey everyone, what's your biggest laundry frustration?
Do slow dryers drive you crazy? Do you dread ironing?
Let us know. We'd love to hear your stories and any laundry hacks you have.
Maybe someone's already tried a portable dryer.
That would be amazing. Share your thoughts with us.
Well, before we wrap up, any final thoughts?
Just that it's all about finding what works for you, whether it's a portable dryer or a trusty clothesline.
Couldn't agree more.
All right, folks, that's all for today.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review.
Until next time, take care and happy living.
Bye.